Up yourself, man.
Yeah, big up my channel, Upset a Boss TV.
Upset a Boss TV. Alright. Enough respect, you see me?
Yeah, man.
All the way from Portland, you forward, brother.
We are Portland. Oh, yeah, half a tree.
I'm carry go around there.
Yeah, man, that's good.
Yeah, man. Police boy, them a premier threat. Yeah, steamed. Now 4 hours. Now 4 hours worth of footage. What? What? Sir? Man, the way I going now, I can't bring one out with me. Man, the way I go, we can't bring one out with me. Just sign out early, man. The man engineer rev your friend. Yes, my boy. The good old lava. Battery? Yes? What? You catch up on the vlog. Big up yourself.
Oh.
You text me on the gram? Eh? Manners, me G. Bless up. Chip lick. Yo. I think we can do this. Rev lock. Steamed. Yeah, man, so we are right out here now. Here we come. Told me keep making that face and it gets stuck like that. Me and the boss steamed Blue Falcon. It's approximately 5 minutes past 1. Might get her from me a while ago. Yo, give me some beans, yes sir. Huh? Give me some beans, yes sir, to the bridge. 250 versus 250. Goodbye. guy close. Eh?
Never been here.
Another one. Another one.
Woo. Nah, like boy bike fast. Boy bike fast. Fast man. Why mom? I make a bad mistake. Yo, if I never want woman driver, that's something wrong. Woman, they not no sense in that. Yo, if I never want woman driver, that you know something wrong.
Don't you know? You see when this is light green and now watch out wait for the arrow.
Eh?
Yeah, arrow there like that.
Yeah.
And then see green like they want to drive past.
Yeah man, we are always.
Watch out.
Yeah.
Because they now wait for the arrow and they have to
Yeah. Yo, Jace bike now, no back brake. Bombard.
Very true that done.
What? What? Turn? Eh? It cheap. It cheap. Eh? And that me I tell you from it, you know, see the sign out there's a 170 something. Whatever you can put in it. Mandeville we are going on, me can't bring one down with me. Mandeville we are going, we can't bring one down with me. Just sign out early man. What happened? No man, not say that man. Wrong thing you say man. Are the best thing right now, you know? Really? Why you say that? Why you say that? You afraid of them? Okay. No. Chocho? That somebody that will nearly kill you is not the right person to carry you. Eh? Him still alive though. Rotted. All when you wear lead, me still can't feel anything on the back. All when PC body drawing off, so me feel it. Just full dog. How much all in there? 6 bills? No, I'm full man. If me didn't know me that buy gas down here so. See it there? 173, 184 for 90. Bro, that's crazy. Don't think that I have a motorbike, so even a heavy bike, I'm friend. Road feel good? What? Watch out. No, no juice?
Yeah.
You want it now? Alright, road. Take care. Nice people, you know? Straight, straight. Welcome to Old Harbor. Whoa, we got a little spin there from the back wheel. Such a road here nice, you know, but you have to hold back. Very windy. Them in our back, man. died from a bike. I think it was somewhere out here. I'm thinking that the road looks familiar. Cruising. What's your name? Gutters. Yes, my boy, the good old lava. We are headed towards Clarendon. I think out there, so Norris probably might make the new highway also. I wish I had cruise control on this thing, man. Me too, I can come foot too and relax. Train line, the out here, so. Bad. Ow! Ah, no back brake. Yup. Eh. Yeah, that's on a bad. Actually, Clarendon with there, you know. Yeah, man. Road out there so wicked, man. Last time I come through here, so there was a Zoso. Woo. God! With a crew Right, we are come off of the road here now. Woo! Ah, boy. Back hurt me already. I'm back now, heavy, you know? Back hurt me. We actually have bypass Clarendon. That's where you exit the highway. Bridge road, they might build over there, so they might extend the highway actually, so yeah. Clarendon town. We've been on the road for 1 hour and 10 minutes. Reaching Mandeville in another what? Call it another. Oh! Oh God! What happened on the helmet there, Fred? Milk River. My gosh, man! See the highway all the way over there, so they might carry the highway go right down to Mandeville Town, Burnham Field. Out there, so go. Yeah! That's where we want to go on. Ah, you want to rest up? Oh God. Whew. Eh? Brother, me and vibrate your feet. Woo! See, you say gas station and don't have to cheap. The first one we pass, I'm show you for 165. Cheap. Eh? Shock. Brother, when me I do the journey, I'm going to go straight, you know. Yes, people. Take a little rest stop. Battery are dead. Change out battery. Eh?
Machine run still.
What? They're running a fret.
Can get more tight.
Ooh.